Good morning, students. This is Sarika Ahuja, your maths teacher from Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School, Sonepat. In my last video, we did cross multiplication method, and in this video, we are going to do the new method that is called as reducible method. So here, the question arises, first, what is reducible method? Sometimes we come across many equations which are not linear, but they can be reduced to the linear equations by doing some substitution. And to understand such type, I have written one example on the board, that is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. As till now you have learned that linear equations are those equations which can be expressed in the form of ax plus by plus c. But this equation is not in such form. So I have to do some changes and I have to convert them into linear equations. Now can I write this equation as 5 into 1 upon x minus 1? Because if we have multiplied these two, as you can see, 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5 and it is upon x minus 1. These both are same. So now in this also 1 into 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. Similarly, here also 6 into 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now, what I am doing, that is put 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. If I am going to substitute 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u, then the equation, then it will become 5u, and here if I want to substitute v, then it will become 1v is equal to 2. Similarly, I have to substitute here also, and it will become 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Now you can see that these are converted in the form of linear equations. And linear equations can be solved by three methods which we have done earlier: substitution, elimination and cross multiplication. So you can solve these two equations, naming as 3 and 4, by any of the three methods, naming which you feel more convenient. Here, to solve these two equations, I am going to use elimination method. To use the elimination method, I need to make the numerical coefficient of that variable same which I want to eliminate. So I want to eliminate v here, and here you can see the coefficient of v is 1 and here the coefficient of v is 3. So I need to make it same, and to make it same I need to multiply the third equation by 3. Let us multiply the third equation by 3. 5u multiplied by 3 is equal to 15u. 1v multiplied by 3 is equal to 3v. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Next equation, 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. As you can see, the sign are opposite, so we can cut both these. 15u plus 6u is equal to 21u. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. U is equal to 7 upon 21. Let us convert into lowest form, and you can see the value of u is equal to 1 upon 3. I have found out the value of u. I need to find out the value of v. To find out the value of v, I need to substitute the value of u either in equation 3 or 4. I am going to substitute in equation 4. Let us substitute. The value of u is equal to 1 upon 3. As you have seen, I have substituted. Now 3 and 6 can be cut. You can see 3 1 the 3 and 3 to the 6. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 minus 3v is equal to 1. When minus 3v, I need to find out the value of v. So when minus 3v will come to this side, it will become, the sign will be changed and it will become positive. When 1 will be coming to this side, the sign will again change and it will become negative. 2 minus 1 is equal to 3v. V is equal to 1 upon 3. As you can see that I have found out the value of v and u. And I need to find out the value of x and y because the equation 1 and 2 were in terms of x and y. To find out the value of x and y, I need to substitute the value of u and v here, which I have where I have put my tick mark. So let us substitute it. The value of u is equal to 1 upon 3. I have substituted, you can see, and the value of v is equal to 1 upon 3. Let us cross multiply it. I am putting the arrow marks, you can see. X minus 1 multiplied with 1 is equal to x minus 1. 1 multiplied with 3 is equal to 3. X is equal to minus 1 minus 1. When it will coming this side, 3 plus 1 is equal to, that is equal to 4. Y minus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Y minus 2, 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. When minus 2 will come this side, the sign will be changed and it will become positive, and you can see the sign of y, that is y, the value of y is equal to 5, and you can see the value of x is equal to 4. So today you have learned how to reduce the equation. This method is very important, and I would say that this is the most expected question of board exam also. So what is your homework? I hope you all understand first. So your homework is to solve your exercise 3.6, and if you feel any query, you can contact on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.